Now we're going to printing 4-color pattern for this paper ball. First, we have to prepare your cup mold fixture, the product or plastic cup or paper ball. Then prepare UV ink. How many color you have to prepare? How many UV ink? This is a 4-color pattern: white, blue, black, red. So we have to prepare white UV ink and put UV ink on the frame, and second color blue UV ink, and third color black UV ink and red UV ink, and have to prepare 4 frame. Second frame is blue, and third frame is blue black, and the fourth frame is red color. So prepare cup mold UV ink frame, then install cup mold to machine and put UV ink to the frame, then printing pattern to the paper ball. After printing fast color, white color, you can see after printing fast color, so 1 color printing 1 times, 2 color printing 2 times. After printing 4 times, well, like this. Here is the cup mold. Different cup, you have to make a different cup mold. Here is the frame, and here is the UV ink. Here is the color sensor. It can locate position, automatic, and here is the servo motor.